Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you, and as you can see here, it is a new Spiritus padded sling. Alright guys, so here's the sling. It is M81 Woodland, which is super awesome, my favorite classic camo. And as you can see here, you have your steel glides right here. And there's no hardware other than this and the strap adjuster, which is also steel as well. And you can see here the padding, it's a little bit on, it appears to be a thinner side. It's not as wide as the Blue Force gears, but overall not too bad, feels pretty good. I do have to order some QD disconnects to put onto the ends so I can attach it to whatever long gun I intend to use on it later. But overall, very satisfied. I will say, even though the padding is not as wide as the Blue Force gear ones, it does feel a little bit thicker. Still really firm, but you know, you gotta break these things in. Anyways, super excited to put this together. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.